Good morning. Bit colder today, and so I'm sort of a bit more rugged up, and I'm going to fire up the gas heater wherever that is. So yeah, today is removing the second wing and the tail feathers, which includes removing the auxiliary charge system and lights and things. So we'll see how we go.
My mind. Poison fills my mind. Poison fills my mind. Poison fills my mind. Poison fills my mind.
Well, that was certainly very involved. It's absolutely pouring with rain outside, and so I couldn't take either aircraft outside because neither of them are tight at the moment. So it was a bit of a dance, but I have managed it. So the next thing is to swing the wing out and look to lifting it off with my lovely new ceiling crane. And after that, I'll take the tail feathers off.
All that's left inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison. I need no sympathy, better come and kill me. All I feel inside is poison, poison. All that's left 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 inside.
I definitely wasn't expecting that flaperon to be that difficult to get off. I think it was when I aerodated on the strengthening for the ribs that stick out the back. I put these aluminium, where are we here? Put these aluminium doublers on, and I think that got into the bolts and made it all much more difficult. But anyway, done that now, and next is to get the electrics off the wing so that I can remove the wing.
Poison, poison, come back to life. Hey. Poison, poison fills my mind. 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 Come back to life. Hey.
I haven't had this wing off before, so I'm having a lot of trouble getting the bolts out, which took quite a bit of time. Unfortunately, the guys from the museum turned up all of a sudden and got straight into it in the way that they do, so I didn't actually manage to record them lifting the wing for me.
that's left inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison. I need no sympathy, better come and kill me. All I feel inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison, poison.
Right, run out of solar power and day. It's going to get back on the road at 5 o'clock. It's really cold and raining outside. Got the tail well started. Got no idea how to disconnect the electric trim. I'll work that out. Hopefully back into it again tomorrow.
Poison, poison. Poison, poison. Poison, poison. All that's left inside. Poison, poison. Poison, poison. All that's left inside. Poison, poison. Poison, poison. Come back to life. Hey. Poison, poison fills my mind. Poison, poison fills my mind. Poison, poison fills my mind. Poison, poison.
Unfortunately, I made a bit of a blue taking the tail off. The trim tab is an electric unit that's controlled from the cockpit with feedback, and I was hoping there was a plug in it, so I dismantled it, and there's all sorts of cleverness that fell apart when I took it off. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is the unit here, and it's controlled in the cockpit by this little rocker switch here, up and down, and then the indicator works on here. So I now know I should never have gone in there, but there's this little linear potentiometer in here which slides along with the track, and then this horrible little electric motor runs these cogs. But I've somehow got to reassemble it all and get everything in the same position and find a place for this mystery part. So watch and weep as I attempt to reconstruct it. So it works on a push rod, which then goes to the trim tab here and pulls and pushes like so.
Poison. All that's left inside is poison. I need no sympathy, better come and kill me. All I feel inside is poison, poison. All that's left 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 inside, poison, poison. All that's left inside is poison, poison. All that's left inside.
Next is to remove the 9 kilogram tail weight. The tail weight is fitted because originally this aircraft was designed for a 65 horsepower two-stroke engine, and now it has a 2.2 litre four-cylinder four-stroke engine, which is obviously heavier. So the tail weight is here on the back, held by two 10mm bolts, and what it does mean is that the fuselage lengthening won't actually add to the overall weight of the aircraft, because as the arm increases I'll be able to reduce the amount of additional weight that I carry in the tail. My mum is arriving. Oh, lift upright. Yeah, so I've got the tail all off, which is extremely good. Got the seatbelt and things out. We're on video. Was it difficult to get the tail off? Yes, it was. These bolts in here were jammed, and I had quite a job. So that's the aircraft mostly stripped, and the next job is to load it up on the trailer ready to take up to Mackerel Locomotive in Christchurch to start preparing the steel work for replacement.